Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Actually, this is a part 2 of our unboxing video, and today I am going to remove this one from the box. Alright, so minakita ko sa inyo on part 1 na nag-unbox ako from Amazon. So today, ang gagawin ko na naman is i-remove ko siya, unboxing plus review of these items na kinuha ko or nabili ko sa Amazon. So I hope you stay tuned and we'll see kung ano yung mga nabili ko, kung ano yung nasa loob nito, at para makita na din natin. Actually, I was planning to do this one later on by tomorrow, but I'm super excited and gusto ko nang i-unbox siya, i-open siya, at para magamit ko na by tomorrow. So, I hope you stay tuned on my video. Okay? So, let's start our unboxing part 2. Okay, so first na i-open ko ngayon is itong sun UV lamp. This one is for the para sa kuko, kasi ako nagplan na talaga ako, as I've mentioned before, na gusto ko na talagang mag-nails, and you know na sa nangyayari ngayon hindi pa tayo pwedeng pumunta ng salon. Pwede naman pumunta ng salon if you really like to go, but for me and for us, ayaw na namin mag-risk. Kaya, I've been planning to get it para naman malaman ko kung paano siya gamitin. Nag-slide kayo, wait lang. Okay, so, kaya bumili na ako nito. And before akong bumili nito, nagtitingin-tingin muna ako ng mga review sa YouTube kung alam ko ba kung paano gawin itong paglilinis ng kamay. Kasi sa Pilipinas, I've been going to salon para lang magpa-nails. Pero kasi ngayon, hindi pwedeng magpa-salon, kaya bumili ako ng own na pang-nails ko. So, I got this UV. I think this one is like $8 or $9, something like that. Nakuha ko siya kahapon. And ito yung laman niya. Okay. Meron siyang box dito. And ito yung UV light. Actually, first time ko magkaroon ng UV light, guys. First time ko. Never had a UV light before. But because, alam nyo na, gagawin natin to kasi maarte tayo, diba? Maarte tayo. Gusto natin yung mga nails natin na magaganda. Charot. May colors. Okay, so ito yung UV light. Meron siya nito. Ganito. I hope you can see that one. I'm actually using my phone right now para i-record. So, meron siyang turn off and on dito. Then, 5 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. And this one, meron siyang yan. I think para to sa wire, para makonect siya. So, yan yung UV light. What else is in the box? So, we got papers in here. So, that's the instruction, I think. Yep. Meron siyang mga instruction dito, UV light. And then, meron siyang gel polish application. So, wala akong gel polish. Meron lang akong, ang meron ako is yung polygel. Okay, and then, we also have this box. And then, wala nang laman. So, what's in this box is, let's open it. Excited ako mag-open ng box today. Alright, ito na yung wire niya. Okay, so, ito yung wire niya. Yan. And then, you'll just have to connect it here. So, ganyan siya. Okay. And then, that's the first one. And then, let's open. This is very exciting. Gusto ko i-open siya kasi first time kong magkaroon ng ganito. It's actually a Polygel Set nail care. Just bring your nail salon home. Okay? So, let's open it. I'm very excited. Kasi first time kong mag-polygel na ako lang mag-polygel. Ako lang magpo-polygel sa aking sarili. Okay? So, let's open it. Okay, and then I'll show you what's inside. Okay, sa likod nito, meron siyang attention. Crystal glue belongs to colloid and so on. Yan. Made in China siya. Alright. Okay, let's open it. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. And, ta-da! Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Okay, so what's inside? So, actually, ang laman niya, okay, sana makita nyo. Sana makita nyo, guys. Yan. So, meron siyang, okay, ang laki niya kasi, hindi ko expect ganito siya kalaki. Meron siyang ito, polygel instructions. Okay, meron siyang, ganyan. Okay, kung paano mag-apply. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 polygels. Okay, let's see what's in it. Okay, so ito yung diamond red. Number 3 in diamond red. And then the other one is number 1 temperature change rose pink. Okay, and then next is number 3 temperature change tea rose. Ayan. And then next is we have number 1 starlight feel. Ayan. And then what we also have here is the diamond in blue number 2. Okay. Okay, wait lang kasi. Next is we have number 1 in pink. Okay, we would love to have that pink. Ayan, and then we have number 3. This is cover pink. Ito. And, kita niyo pa ba ako? And then we have these, number 5, clear. Ayan, I hope you can see it. But anyway, okay, what else is in here? So we have this one, yung pang pile niya. And then this one also, ano ba to? Wait, lagay ko muna. Ano ba ito? Okay, ganyan siya. Okay, that's cool. Okay, ito yung parang pangkuha niya ng product. Okay, like a spatula or something. And then this one is yung parang ganyan-ganyan siya para maging firm. I don't know, guys. First time ko ito, kaya wag nyo kayo bash. Okay, so lagay natin siya dyan. Yan yung laman niya. And then, what we have inside. Okay, we still have this one. Ito naman. Ito yung, ano ba ito? Yung pang molding niya. Yeah. Okay, so we have the molding thing. And then, may pag-glitter siya, guys. May design siya na pag-glitter na gold. And then, we also have glitter that is color blue. It's super cute. Ang liit niya. And then, we have the base coat. Alright. Base coat. And then, we have the top coat. Ayan. And then, we have here the slip solution. Ayan. So, I don't know kung paano siya gamitin, but before I bought this item, okay, before ako nag-decide na bibili ako nitong item na to, tumingin ako or nanood ako ng mga reviews ng mga polygel kung paano siya i-apply. I'm sorry, guys, kumain kasi ako. Yeah, nanood ako ng reviews kung paano siya gamitin, and I think kaya ko namang gawin siya. So, soon as possible, maybe tomorrow, I will show you how to apply. And then, let's open this This one, this is very exciting kasi first ever and ever first ring light ko to. And I'm super excited kasi I've been wanting to have a ring light and hindi ko alam. Hindi hindi talaga ako bumibili ng ring light. And I'm like always, ay sana may ring light ako. Pero ngayon, kinuha ko na siya. So, when I open the box, this is what's inside. We have this one, the instruction. Okay. And then, maliit lang siya kasi 8 inches siya. Tama ba? Yeah, 8 inches. And we have the 8 inches ring light. Actually, maliit siya. We all know 8 inches, right? But let me show you. Ganyan yung kamay ko and ganyan siya. Okay? So, what else is on the box? We have, okay, connecting remote. Meron siyang remote dito, parang controller. Meron siyang plus sign. And then, I don't know what this is. Reverse or something. And then, negative sign. And then, turn off and on. So, meron din siyang, I think this is the phone holder. I'm not sure, but yeah. Okay. And then, what else in the box? Maliit siya, guys. Maliit siya. Pero, okay na yan. Hindi naman kailangan natin malaki, di ba? Okay, so meron siyang ganito. Dalawa. I think, parehas lang sila. Yan, ganito. So, actually, let's read. Let's read what's in the box. Supposedly in the box. Okay. Okay, yep. Ayan, ganyan siya. And then, meron siyang dalawang ganito. Ayan, dalawa siya. And then, another, this one. So, pwede kang mag-selfie na malayo ka. And then, you just have to click. Diba? Ang galing. And then, let's remove this. Okay. And then, let's see what's else inside. Okay, meron box dito. Okay, wala nang laman. Okay, meron pang isang box dito. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay. Okay, let's open. Ooh. Ah, ang ganda niya, guys. Kasi para siyang may tripod na siya. Let's open it. Super excited. Okay. So, ganito siya. Let's see. Paano ba to? Hindi alam. Ah, okay. So, ganitonin mo lang siya. I think you're going to like, oops. Sorry about that. Okay. Yan, ganyan. So, nakastand siya. Oops. Hala. Nakastand siya ng ganon. And, yan. So, secure na siya. And then, you have to lock it in here para hindi siya ma-slide. Okay. Iset up na natin. Set up na natin, guys. So, ganyan siya. I hope you can see it. Okay. So, nilagay ko lang siya dito sa baba. So, ganyan siya. And then, okay guys, welcome back. Okay, and I figure it out na ito pala, meron siyang ganito. And then the other hasn't have any of these. So, ito is nako-connect siya sa taas nito. Okay, so you just have to slide. Ganyan. Okay, so ganyan siya. And then, ito naman, this one, I already connected but it's wrong. Hindi siya dapat dyan nakakonect. So, ito is connect here. So, let me just connect that one. Okay. That's all good. And then, I just have to connect this ring light here. So, meron siyang connect dito. Then, i-connect ko na siya. And then, you don't need to rotate it like that. You just have to rotate in here kasi meron siyang pang-adjust dito. Ayan. Okay. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Ganyan siya. And then, yung dito is correct na yun. So, Yep, that is correct. Nope, this one is wrong, so you have to remove this one first. So instead of putting the screw here, we have to put it here. Okay, one moment. Okay, so let me rotate that one. Okay. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay yung phone dito. Okay. Wait, just... Okay. Let's see. Let's see if I can still... Okay. So, pwede mong ilagay yung phone dito and make sure to tighten everything. Okay, so yung phone dito or dito sa taas. Nasaan na yung isa? So, yung isa, instead of dito ilagay, dito mo ilagay yung screw sa taas. Okay. I think I'm doing it correctly. Yeah. Okay. So, screw ko muna. Hindi nyo ba nakikita, guys? Nakikita nyo ba? Ganyan siya. Okay, ganyan ko na lang. Para makita nyo yung ginagawa ko dito. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ayan. Okay, so I'm not really sure. Pwede na siyang i-adjust dito, guys. Kung gusto nyo yung cellphone nyo nakaganyan, ganyan siya. So, i-adjust nyo lang. And then, make sure to tie. Oh! Ala! May nahulog, guys! Ano yun? Ay, wrong screw pala. Okay, so make sure to tighten that one. That back boy. Okay. Nahulog ang yung sa kabila, yung panglock. Oh. Okay. Ayan, lock na siya. So, ganyan siya. Medyo hindi siya sturdy, guys. Hindi siya sturdy. Yung parang naggagalaw siya, oh. Or baka hindi ko naayos yung pag-tight. Yeah, gumagalaw siya, guys. Ayokong gumagalaw. Ayoko yung gumagalaw, guys. Tighten siya. Sure. Pero ganyan na siya. So, if you are going to use your phone, ganyan siya. Okay? So, akin na siyang i-on para makita nyo kung ano talaga ang kanyang ilaws. Let's see your ilaw. Ay, okay. USB siya. So, kailangan, meron pa akong pangkuan. Wala akong USB dito, guys. Wait, kuha muna ako ng USB. Okay, so, iniram ko muna yung charger ni anak. And para hindi siya gumalaw-galaw ganyan, guys, i-tighten mo lang yung mga dito niya, mga bolts niya. Bolts! Yan, ipansak-pansak. I-connect ko na siya dyan. And then, naka-on siya. You can see. Then, you have to press on. Wow! Ang liwanag naman niya. And then, kung, ano to? So, I tried the negative one. Ano to? Volume? Okay. So, kung yung negative, parang magdidim siya yung color. And then, yung positive is parang magbabrighten siya. Okay. And then, ano to? Parang reverse. Mag-change yung color. Okay. Meron siyang yellow. Meron siyang parang white and parang blue color. And then, yellow. So, tatlo siya. Okay, so ganyan siya, guys. I hope you can see it clearly. Okay, teka lang. Kaya para siyang... Ayan, make sure it's tight kasi... Ayan. So, ganyan siya, guys. Okay? So, let us see kung iset up ko kayo dito. Let's see anong result. Okay, one moment. Hi guys! So, nagpalit ako ng side view. Side view? Nagpalit ako ng view. So, andito ako sa, actually, sa malapit lang. Tinry ko lang, nilagay kayo dyan. And then, yung ring light is parang sa baba ng phone. And then, andun kayo sa taas. And then, it looks like this. Like, parang grabe ang ilaw, guys. Parang, pwedeng i-adjust ko muna, guys. Okay, parang, okay, I'm sorry. Okay, yan ang color, parang color blue siya. Blue-white. Yan ang color blue-white. And then, the other one was white. And then, this one is yellow. So, yeah, ang sakit sa mata. Sakit sa mata, guys. Okay, so ganyan na siya. It looks like that. So, I hope na makita nyo. One moment. Let me remove you guys here. Sorry sa kalat-kalat dyan. Okay, so it looks like that. So, I hope you could see. Kita nyo is yellow siya. And then, yan is like white. And then, I don't know kung nakikita nyo ng maayos. Pero sobra kasi yung light niya, guys. Kaya ganyan siya. Alright, so I think that would be it for our unboxing / review for these items that I have from Amazon. So, in-unbox ko na siya, guys, para kayo makita nyo kung ano ang aking binili. And for the polygel and that UV light, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ako mag-apply nun. It's my first time, so I hope kaya ko to. Okay? So, ayan, sinat up ko na kayo ng ganyan. It's so nice. Ang ganda pala ng feeling pag ganyan, no? May nakaset up na siya. And, yeah, stay tuned sa aking susunod na video na sana hindi maging kulelat na naman tong ating channel. And sana kung nagustuhan nyo itong aking unboxing / review part 2, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, guys, hinihingal ako, guys. Grabe. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung kailan ako mag-upload ng aking new videos. Alright? And also, guys, kung meron kayong masasabi, comment down below. Wag lang yung bash. Be good to me. Kasi hindi naman ako expert sa lahat-lahat. I'm just being a good YouTuber. Hindi ko alam ano sasabihin ko, guys. But anyways, that was my video for today. And thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye, guys!